live.
Good to go?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Alright, part 2 of fucking boom.
Part 2 with fresh batteries.
I can't. Next one I'll crank this up to 30 amps and see how it puts out.
Ugh.
Oh, fuck, I'm killing myself.
Good thing you don't make porn.
I know, right? We're at 10 amps right now. Still at 10 amps, I should say. This one's gonna be a boomer. So would you say glycol, what's it called?
Antifreeze?
To put it in the, so the water don't freeze?
Antifreeze, glycol.
Glycol.
Glycol. You get the green shit, you get the orange shit. Orange shit tastes better.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Which one's better for you?
No, neither of them are good for you. Excellent for the wives, though.
Yeah. Feed it to her in oatmeal?
No, you just tell her it's Gatorade.
Chug! I got a Everclear mix in that. Just chug, that's why it tastes like shit. Did you see how fast my double system, 50 amp, was going? How fast it was just like blah, 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 blah. Alright. One big bang, that's all we need to know. This one's gonna be a big one. I can already tell.
You're not killing me.
Chugging some big bubbles here.